No, because I didn't even want that.
Where?
Hey.
Oh. We're on it together too.
How's the strawberries looking?
There's so many strawberries.
I've been taking some over the past couple days.
Hey.
Oh, look at those. There's always some. They've been murdered. Oh, there's a lot. Oh, that one's mine. That one's mine.
What?
What do you grow?
We're growing strawberries.
Strawberries.
You should eat some.
Strawberries.
I got a strawberry.
Hey. Nice.
This is very good. I'm gonna wash it.
Strawberries. What you got here, kid?
I don't even know.
You don't even know. You don't see him down? You don't see him down here?
There's
No.
There's a bunch over there.
Oh, that's a good one.
Well,
You want one? Sure. I'll give you a good. This one actually has mold, and this one also does have mold.
well, I mean, isn't that what we eat every time we eat strawberry with seeds on it? Sometimes we get that have rice. Many times.
Hey, Nivi, tell me about your strawberry.
It's red. It is a strawberry. It has seeds, has leaves,
Oh, what?
has seeds, has leaves.
Where are the seeds?
Strawberries here.
Like where the
Good? Yeah, they're really good.
What's cool about the seeds? They're on the outside instead of the inside.
Cheers.
tears.
Hey.
Give it to me, Haja.
Hey, tell me about your strawberry. Ah.
Sweet.
Nice.
What is this?
Got it.
What is what?
The little baby one.
That's how they grow. Don't rip it. This one's a hard. No, this one's so. I found such a big one. Can I just rip it off? I just ripped it. Look at it. Why'd you do it?
Strawberries.
Alright, so we still don't know what the hell these things are, do we?
No, what are these?
Oh, Mr. Ranty, that's some pretty
That would
intense
be
language there.
grass. Huh?
That's some pretty intense language
Sorry.
there. Yo. Wait, let me focus on it. Dang.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah, we're vlogging. I'm doing advertising for Garden Club.
Nice.
All the people that come to ESUMS, they join Garden Club.
Perfect. I think we could take these out because I don't know what they are.
They look nice.
They're not strawberries?
That's what I thought, but there's no.
They just grew.
What are they? Oh, sorry.
They're kind of crowding out these ones, which I like.
What are they?
You know.
We'll never know.
What we need to do is get rid of these that are not strawberries, and also you see this grass. Pull the grasses out. Just be careful not to pull out, see these, right? These are good strawberry leaves. Right? Those we don't want to pull out. Once we pull all the stuff out that shouldn't be here, you can start taking some of these strawberry runners and putting them strategically in places where we want strawberry plants to grow. Okay? So always look near the bottom so you can see what you're grabbing. If you want, I could grab some trowels, but honestly, I think we could just do this by hand.
So,
Um,
this.
We want to try to get the roots though, so you know what? Maybe I'll get a trowel first.
Oh, okay.
Yo, let's get some shots of that. That's cool. Nice.
I mean,
Alright, composter.
some kind of interspersed in there. You'll see.
Maybe you had something down here.
Yeah, you know what? It looks like they're growing from whatever this is.
Yeah.
I don't know what these are.
Maybe there was some sort of nut.
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, let's go on bolts.
This one or that one? Everything's in that one.
I figured we'd build this one and then we.
Nice.
Oh my goodness.
I know, right? Were you here to help us build it?
No.
What? Dang.
I was in class.
When you guys get older, you should start another initiative. You should make coops, chicken coops.
Where?
It's allergic.
Dang. Yo. Hold on.
Look at how weird that is.
Wow.
Heck yeah.
We should rip it up a little bit when we throw it in.
What?
Raspberry.
Dang,
That's an actually good one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thinking on my back, thinking.
Nice.
I wonder if I bet you each one of these little ones is the seed, maybe.
So weird.
Wait, but corn usually grows.
That is
It's not corn, but
Yeah, like,
I'm just saying it reminds me of
yeah.
corn.
Oh.
That's,
I don't know if they're ready. We need to plant stuff here.
Oh, like, I mean, like, snap it in, like, half.
Grab some food for us.
Oh, nice. Yeah, rip it up.
it is the best part of gardening.
Mm. Look at that fill up. Nice.
Yeah, a lot of confidence.
Uh-huh.
You want to use this to, like, it's got a serrated knife.
Yeah, I could try that.
Be careful with
Oh, bro, you're just beating it.
Hurry up, bro.
Nice. Alright. That's enough content there.
Yeah, I'm like, what's it for?
I don't know, for a vlog, I'm gonna advertise gardening club to everyone.
Oh, nice.
So that more people join.
Yeah, join gardening club.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There's some carrots here, but they're kind of in the way. Weed around them, or to me, I would just pull them.
Do we
Yeah.
do we take out the sage?
The sage? What about it? Yeah, I guess. We leave all this.
Are you gonna take that stuff?
Yeah, this stuff you can take out.
Like even the pansies?
Oh, this is one of the bulbs. Yeah. Leave down and put that back, because that'll come back. I think it's a tulip.
Oh, this one's big. Adjacent and juxtaposed. That targets your arms. Oh my god.
Bro got astounded.
Oh, hey.
What's it be? Not bad, yeah.
These don't look that big, but I guess
Yeah. Tomatoes every week I had, peppers.
Oh, that's
I'm like, I'm done with this. Like, this is sprayed by one. Never mind. I know how it feels by getting by it. To get bitten by it. Now
Oh,
they're
they're
pulling up my
munching
arm.
something.
Bad, right?
I remember I used to play this, like, ant farm simulator.
I'm on.
I know.
Alright, this
Testing an
is
ant
real ESUMS right here.
Well, if the sticks blow away, the ants are just gonna go bye-bye.
Wait, you guys need a platform for them to like.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We need to gather leaves. Leafage.
You need like large flat leaves though.
Oh, I
Yeah.
got a bunch here.
Ooh. Is that like
I got a bunch. Oh no!
the shriveled up leaves might work.
Yeah. Guys, come on.
And then we have to lay another brand
Yeah.
thing.
Oh my god, I'm getting
Yeah, there's a
bitten.
lot of ants.
I'm getting hit.
We're making them ant bridges.
What do you think these are? You want to try it? It's not edible. I wonder why it turns pink.
Okay, if someone needs a job, we need to now kind of flatten out that area. So just take your hand, go like this. Same thing over here. Make it nice and flat.
Victor went so far too. Victor Quantavious is coming back.
Let's go to Quantavious.
Oh, Victor just must be. Oh, and Quantavious.
I got
Oh wait, Victor's coming around and Quantavious is coming around.
Okay. Go ahead, guys. There's 2 cans. Like I said, drench them first before we put them in. Yeah. Okay, good. So if we need to refill, we got gallons.
Actually, he's gonna become the mascot of ESUMS soon.
Is it?
Yeah, we just got approval from Miss Blue. Hi, Blaze. Blaze, Blaze, look at me. Blaze, hey. Look at me, Blaze. Imagine he just starts running away like at speed of sound.
Yeah.
Please.
What's he eating?
No, don't eat the flowers. Eat the grass though. Grass is important.
Don't eat the pansies.
Look at him! Look at the baby!
You can look here, but not near the ants.
Look!
Oh no.
Oh, you're so light!
Can you pinch the bone?
Wow.
Nivers, what are you doing?
I'm astonished by the ants.
These? Dang. What a cool guy. Look at him.
Blaze?
Don't.
You guys eye on the bee.
Maybe during finals week or something. We have time.
Is he eating the bee? Are you eating the beaver?
Huh?
Eat the bee. Please, look at me. Look at me, Blaze. Look at me, Blaze. Help.
Blaze?
Is he eating something? Look at me.
Okay, but what if it's not?
I won't eat you. Hey, Blaze.
What's his name? Let me
Blaze.
What's his name? Did she just get him? Blaze.
Yeah, she just got him this year.
Remove your hand. He's not.
Blaze!
Oh! I'm trying to take a picture of his face.